Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Elasticity problems can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's find the assumed price elasticity of demand for these first-class stamps right now. Total revenue is calculated as the price multiplied by the quantity sold. The Postmaster General expects that doubling the price will lead to exactly double the total revenue for the country. If doubling the price results in double the revenue, that means the quantity demanded must stay exactly the same. Consumers do not change their buying habits at all despite the hike. Since the percentage change in quantity is 0, the absolute value of price elasticity is 0. That makes option A our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps.